room area, bedroom, and then you have your bathroom. Now for the Oasis Spa Villa, it would be you walk into your bedroom area, you have your bathroom, you also have a private lounge area and also your private pool. Punch. Not anymore. I think they're a year old now.
Very new.
Very new, because we had the villas here, but we've knocked them down and built them from scratch.
Right.
So safe, of course, is provided.
Very nice. Look at this. Nicely done.
Whoa, that's
There
the
we go.
bathroom?
And just the deposit area.
Whoa.
Now, for all category room service and the minibar service is included. The minibar will be right around here, along with the compensation.
What do you think?
This is beautiful. Can't beat this.
Can't beat it at all.
This is pretty incredible.
This is bigger than my room.
Right?
Yeah.
Unlimited spa treatments. Keep going.
Yes, you get unlimited spa treatment.
Oh, that's why they're called spa villas.
Yeah.
So they're like the spa cabins on the cruises. Except you get use of the hydrotherapy, but you still have to pay for your massages.
Oh,
You
your
get a
massages
discount.
and salon services are included.
Wow.
So this is good for my brides.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Or anyone at all. If you have people who they want to do a vacation, but they still want to just retreat into themselves, it is kind of perfect because once they close your door, once the do not disturb sign is up, no one will enter their villa.
Now
Yeah.
is there room service?
Room services included, minibar services included.
Where are the minibars?
Inside as well, we have an outdoor shower. And of course, the live wall is in. So we have to be in tune with nature. So
Oh.
Oh, Jesus!
I like you did a live wall. This is okay. This is the destination. Look at this now, man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even see
Right
that.
here, get in when you go to the tank.
Whoa.
That is unique.
I like that. If I'm trying to shower, I'm gonna go mad if Elizabeth jump out on me.
you gonna do what?
If Elizabeth jump out on one time shower, I'm gonna go mad. Like, come on, man. You should be.
Yeah, I'm showering. No, that doesn't work.
Well, you have an option. Of course, there's a double shower at inside. So you don't have to
Yeah,
go
that
inside.
shower is beautiful. A good shower, man. This is crazy.
And compensation, of course, is always in your room. For the minibar, all they have to do is call Cisco, the room service, and they'll take whatever they're up. It will be stocked with fluids, water gun, everything. Everything is there. Now, we try to cut down our carbon footprint.
It's unfunded. Funded, right?
Yeah, fun job.
And MLT, that's a vacation.
Of course, the room price will vary, but I think now it's 800 something per night, minimum 3 night stay, and the smaller category is 7.
8 and 8. The 3 nights, 2,400, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear that.
That's not bad. No, that's not bad. That's not
Yeah.
bad at all. I can sell this very easily.
Hey guys, so just a little more information. Now, we are an environmental friendly company, so we're trying to cut down our carbon footprint. Bottled water service is not provided in the room, so for each room, we have 2 couple solar bottles that will be provided in the room, and they can fill up on the building. There's filtered water fountains on each floor. But for the villa, there's no fountain this side, so they get a drip system in their room, okay? So they can always filter their own water. And it's not isolated to water, alcohol, whatever they want to put in. And of course, they can take them home. Oh, is there?
Of course.
That works.
Any questions?
No, I can't wait. You can still do some of these for Christmas.
Yeah.
And you have already toilets included.
Trust me. I hear that they're booked out till next March.
Wow.
Not surprised. It's like the overwater bungalows that Sandals are there.
Right.
We were
That's
there.
White House?
Oh my
Still
God.
going, man.
White House?
No.
Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean.
Yeah, oh, okay.
I booked out to 2019.
Yeah.
That's like $20,000 a pop on
week.
average.
Crazy.
I want some of those, yeah? That's all right.